Hi there, quilting friends. I'm Tiffany, and this is Straight Stitching, where I help new quilters build their skills and confidence one block at a time. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. Today is a very special day for me, and I wanted to share it with you all. Today, I'm celebrating the fact that I have exceeded 250 YouTube subscribers. I am very pumped about that. I do recognize in the world of YouTube, 250 subscribers is really nothing to write home about, but for me, it's huge. I've been battling myself for over a year now, trying to work up the nerve to consistently show up in front of the camera. And I'm not going to lie, many days it's a struggle, and I honestly haven't totally gotten out of my way, but I'm making strides and I'm getting better every day. And I know if I continue to show up, I'll just continue to improve both my, nerve to be here on camera, and then also just my quilting skills and the things that I'm sharing with you all. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll just keep showing up, and I hope that you do too. I really love quilting, and I know that my people are out there, and we just have to find each other. So 250 of us have found each other. Actually, 268 people are subscribed to this channel. So again, that's huge for me. And I'm hoping that more and more of you will join. So what I really love about quilting is it gives me the ability to both relieve stress and then also an opportunity to flex my creative muscles. As an engineer, I have convinced myself over the years that I don't have any creativity, but the reality is that's not true. So I now fully embrace what I call myself a fabric artist. So I fully embrace that, and I really just want to share that with the world because I think that there are other people out there like me who are just looking for the right hobby, the thing that's going to click with them. And for me, that is quilting. So again, back to the celebration. If you've probably seen on other YouTubers' channels, when you reach 100,000 subscribers, YouTube sends you this really nice plaque in the mail. Well, obviously at 268 subscribers, I'm a little bit away from that. But because I am a fabric artist, I have decided to make my own plaque. So let me show you what I am quilting up today. So today I'm quilting up the YouTube logo. I think it's really cute. I actually got this idea from another channel that I follow, and I thought, you know what, that's a really great idea. If I'm going to wait for 100,000 subscribers, and at the rate I'm going, that could be a little while, I'll never have any recognition. And so I really do believe it's important that we step back sometimes, thank the people who have helped us to get where we are. And so that's why I'm here thanking you. And then to just toot our own horns a little bit. So that's what I'm doing. So for today, my quilting project is quilting up this YouTube quilted plaque. So I am going to share with you all what it looks like once I get done. But yeah, I'm here for the long haul. I really do believe that YouTube is a great platform. It allows you to interact and connect and find people from all over the world. And so I know that my family and friends think that I'm crazy, and that's okay because as it relates to quilting, they aren't my people, you are. So I'm happy to be here with you, and I'm looking forward to continuing this process and making and sharing more great videos so that, we can all advance our skills together. Thanks so much for watching my video today. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly quilting tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or you want to share your progress, please feel free to drop a comment because I'd love to hear from you. And until next time, happy quilting.